How AI is revolutionizing personal fitness. Life-changing results. Imagine having a personal trainer, nutritionist, and fitness coach available 24/7, completely free. Who knows exactly what your body needs? Sounds too good to be true? Well, that's exactly what AI is making possible right now, and I'm going to show you how to harness this technology to transform your fitness journey forever. Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how to use AI to create a completely personalized fitness and nutrition plan that's scientifically designed for your specific body, goals, and lifestyle. No more generic workout plans, no more guessing about nutrition. We're talking about cutting-edge artificial intelligence that's revolutionizing how we approach fitness. But first, let me tell you a quick story. Last month, I decided to put AI to the ultimate test. I was skeptical. Could a computer really design a better workout plan than experienced trainers? The results absolutely blew my mind, and I'm about to show you exactly how you can achieve the same. Here's what we're covering today. First, I'll show you how to get AI to create your perfect workout plan. Then, we'll dive into customizing your nutrition strategy. And finally, I'll reveal the secret prompts that make all the difference. Stay until the end, because I'm also sharing the exact template I use to get these incredible results. Let's start with the most important part, getting the AI to understand exactly what you need. Most people mess this up right from the start. They just ask for a generic workout plan and get generic results. Here's what you need to do instead. First, open ChatGPT and use this specific prompt. I need you to act as an expert personal trainer and sports nutritionist. Before creating my program, please ask me all the essential questions you need to design the optimal fitness plan. This tells the AI to gather all the crucial information about you first. The key is being incredibly specific with your responses. Don't just say you want to get in shape. Tell it exactly what you want to achieve, any injuries you have, your current fitness level, and your schedule constraints. The more detailed you are, the more personalized your plan will be. Here's where it gets really interesting. Once you've provided your information, ask the AI to create a periodized program. This means it will actually progress and evolve as you get stronger and fitter. This is something most people completely miss out on. Now let me show you the game-changing prompt that takes this to the next level. Type this exactly. Create a 16-week progressive program divided into 4 phases, including specific tempo prescriptions, rest periods, and intensity techniques that match my recovery capacity and experience level. But here's the thing, and this is crucial. You need to verify the plan makes sense. Ask the AI to justify its choices with scientific references. This is how you ensure you're getting legitimate, evidence-based recommendations rather than just random workouts thrown together. For nutrition, here's where most people go wrong. They just ask for a meal plan. Instead, use this prompt. Create a flexible nutrition framework that adapts to my schedule, food preferences, and specific caloric needs while optimizing for my stated goals. Now let me show you something really cool. You can actually get the AI to create different variations of your workouts based on available equipment, time constraints, or even energy levels. This means you'll never miss a workout because life gets in the way. You'll always have a backup plan. Here's another pro tip. Use the AI to create progress tracking metrics specific to your goals. This way, you're not just blindly following a program, you're measuring what matters and making adjustments based on real data. The results I've seen people achieve with this approach are incredible. We're talking about completely transformed bodies and fitness levels in a fraction of the time it would typically take. And the best part? It's all completely free. If you're getting value from this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more game-changing fitness content. Drop a comment below with your fitness goals, and I'll personally help you craft the perfect AI prompt to achieve them. Before you go, here's one final game-changing tip. You can actually combine multiple AI tools to create an entire fitness ecosystem. Imagine having your workouts, nutrition, and progress tracking all working together seamlessly. I'll be covering exactly how to do this in my next video, so make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on. Remember, the future of fitness is personalized, and AI is making it accessible to everyone. No more one-size-fits-all programs, no more guessing games. Just scientifically optimized training designed specifically for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive even deeper into revolutionary fitness strategies. Stay strong.